Hey there! So, today we're diving into a pretty interesting problem regarding two functions in C and C++ called foo in bar. In these functions, there's some confusion around why the return value folding is valid in foo but not in bar. We'll explore the nuances of these functions and try to understand the underlying reasons behind this behavior. It's quite a perplexing problem, but fear not, we'll break it down step by step. So, let's talk about the solution to this puzzling problem. The key lies in the type aliasing rule exception for accessing objects through a value of type and sign char. This exception allows us to bypass the strict aliasing rule and avoid any undefined behavior that could lead to incorrect optimization by the compiler. By using this exception in the context of our functions foo in bar, we can ensure that the return value folding remains valid in foo, but not in bar. It's all about understanding and leveraging these specific rules to our advantage. Now, to wrap it all up, it's crucial to remember that the difference between foo and bar lies in how they access and manipulate the objects pointed to by the variables nb. While foo adheres to the type aliasing rules and allows for valid return value folding, bar introduces a workaround using in-sign char pointers, which complicates the optimization process for the compiler. By grasping these subtle distinctions, we can gain a deeper insight into the complexities of C and C++ programming. And with that, it's time to say goodbye. Remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!